Imagine a day so luxurious, so over the top, it feels like stepping into a fantasy. Today, we're diving into the most insane luxury experiences in the world, the kind that redefine excess and leave you questioning, do people actually live like this? Let's start with golden hour in the Maldives. You're picked up by a private seaplane that takes you to a secluded island resort where there's only one guest, you. Your villa? It's not just over the water. It has a slide straight into the crystal clear lagoon. Dinner? A chef arrives by boat to prepare you a meal with truffle-infused everything, followed by dessert served on a floating platform under the stars. And when it's finally time to sleep, you're in an underwater suite, with manta rays gliding past your window. But that's just the beginning. In Monaco, step aboard the world's most expensive charter yacht, the History Supreme. This isn't just luxury, it's madness. The yacht is made from 100,000 kilograms of gold and platinum. Even the dining room is adorned with meteorite stones. A night aboard? Roughly $80 million. Oh, and don't forget the bonus, a wall-mounted T-Rex bone sculpture. 'Cause why not? Feeling adventurous? How about heli skiing in the untouched mountains of British Columbia? You're flown by chopper to a remote glacier, skiing pristine powder snow where no one has been before. Afterward, unwind in an alpine lodge designed with million-dollar views, sipping champagne flown in from France as the fireplace crackles. If relaxation is more your style, let's talk about the $250,000 diamond massage in Tokyo. Yes, you heard right. It's a full-body experience using oils infused with crushed diamonds. It promises ultimate rejuvenation, or at least the most Instagrammable spa experience you'll ever have. These aren't vacations. They're dreams brought to life, experiences so absurdly luxurious most of us can barely imagine them. So, here's the real question. Which one would you choose? Or does luxury this extreme make you dream even bigger? Let us know below.